Boog N Shoog! Boog! Guess what?
You're excited?
Well, yes, but guess what else?
What?
Well, it's almost October! And you know what that means.
Nope. What?
Halloween!
Meh.
Meh! Oh, it's the best holiday ever! Trick-or-treating and candy and spooky stories and costumes and everything!
It scares me. Too spooky.
Oh, Boog, it's supposed to be a little scary. That's the fun part. But that's just it. It's all for fun. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone. Wear a costume, get a treat. Knock on doors along the street. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone.
Wait! So, it's supposed to be spooky?
Yes, but that's what makes it fun. And you get to wear a costume and be whatever you want.
Oh, I get it. So I could be a cowboy?
If you want.
What about an astronaut or an actor or an Olympic gymnast?
Anything you want.
Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone. Firemen and queens and kings. Children shouting spooky things. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone.
Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone. Bob for apple, shout out boo. Chocolate and gum to chew. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone. Smile and laugh at all the ghosts. Frank and Drac are such great hosts. Spooky, spooky, it's so fun. Halloween's for everyone.
Wow! That does sound like fun. I better decide what my costume is going to be. I think I want to be
Wait. Don't tell me. Let it be a surprise.
That's even more fun.
Yay! See you on Halloween.
Only if you recognize me.
Hey, Boog. Great costume.
Thanks, Shoog. Halloween is great. I'm glad you talked me into trick-or-treating. This isn't scary at all.
I know. It's lots of fun. Hey, let's go try some more houses. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. When you dress in a costume, there can be such fun tonight. When you ask for candy, there can be such a haul tonight. Always be polite to those who give you treats and more. Say thank you to people before they shut the door. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat. Knock, knock, ding dong, knock, knock, ding dong, ring that bell, trick or treat.
This is so amazing!
amazing!
I wish we could trick or treat every day.
I don't think my dentist would like that.
Ah!
Or would he?
Boog! What's going on?
There's a haunted house!
Oh, yeah. Cool.
What? What do you mean cool?
They're doing a haunted house at our school for kids tonight. I can't wait to go.
So it's not real?
No! It's all for fun. And it's at the school and it's for kids our age.
Oh, phew, I was worried. Let's go to the haunted house tonight. Let's go to the haunted house tonight. Let's take our friends and get scared tonight. Won't it be such fun to go tonight? Hear the old witch say, hear all the ghosts say, hear Frankenstein say, see all the ghouls jump, see all the things bump into the night. Let's go to the haunted house tonight. Let's go to the haunted house tonight. Let's take our friends and get scared tonight. Won't it be such fun to go tonight? Hear the old witch say, hear all the ghosts say, hear Frankenstein say, see all the ghouls jump, see all the things bump into the night. They go. Wow, that sounds fun.
Now you're getting it.
So, if I get scared, you're gonna protect me, right?
Oh, you bet.
Okay, let's go.
Boog, it's not until tonight.
Oh yeah. I have to say, Shoog, this has really been a fun night.
Yeah, and it's not over. There's still this delightfully decorated house.
They really did get into the spirit of Halloween. Why don't you do the honors and ring the bell?
Why, thank you, Boog. Well, that was a bit creepy.
Maybe you should try it again.
Well, they're not home. Let's go. Ah!
Happy Halloween!
Hey, that's our line.
Oh, what's the matter, little fella? I didn't mean to frighten you. I just wanted to wish you a happy Halloween. Don't you want any candy?
That's okay. I was just startled by your costume. Yeah, I want candy. What are you kidding? That sun costume you have there looks so real.
Yeah, man, you're scary. What kind of candy do you have?
Well, this isn't a costume and I have lollipops.
Lollipop.
What? Not a costume?
Nope, I'm a monster.
Ah, monster!
Okay, calm down. You'll scare my neighbors. Yeah, I'm a monster, but I'm friendly. We all are.
You mean there's more of you?
Well, I was the only one of me made, but there's my friends, the ghosts, ghouls, and witches.
But we've never seen any of you before.
Yeah, how come we never see you at the park, or at school, or at the grocery store?
Because we come out only once a year.
Really? When would that be?
Halloween.
Halloween.
Let me tell you about it.
Tell us about it.
We come out once a year on Halloween, on Halloween. We come out once a year on Halloween, on Halloween. Ghost and ghouls and witch flying on their brooms, just having fun. I know that we seem kind of scary, but we're not. There's no need to run. There's no need to run. Ha 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 ha. We come out once a year on Halloween, on Halloween. We come out once a year on Halloween, on Halloween. We like to look at all the trick-or-treaters, give them candy, it's so fun. Then when the night's almost over, we throw a party. Oh, you must come! You must! To celebrate the night of Halloween! Seriously, you must come to the party.
Wow, a party, you bet. You have a surprisingly good singing voice.
I got my vocal cords from an opera singer.
I love Halloween so much.
So you'll come to the party?
Yes, definitely yes. It sounds so fun.
Great, it's down the road at the old cemetery. You can't miss it.
Cemetery?
What?
Hey, Frank, what's your favorite Halloween song?
The Itsy Bitsy Spider.
That's not a Halloween song.
It is when I do it. The itsy bitsy spider went up the witch's snout. She cast a spell and drove the spider out. Out came the moon and broke the spell with light. And the itsy bitsy spider joined her on her flight.
One more time.
The itsy bitsy spider went up the witch's snout. She cast a spell and drove the spider out. Out came the moon and broke the spell with light. And the itsy bitsy spider joined her on her flight.
I thought spiders didn't have skeletons.
Shh, it's Halloween.
Oh, Boog, I don't know about this. It's really scary.
I know, I'm so scared I ate all my candy.
Oh, a cemetery seems like a really weird place to have a party.
Hey, Shug, how many people in this cemetery are dead?
All of them!
No!
That's such a funny joke. It really got me in the funny bone.
You're a skeleton!
No bones about it. My name is Charlie Bones. What are your names?
I'm Boog.
I'm Shoog. We were told there was a party here?
Yeah, what gives?
Oh, well, you're here for the dance party. Well, then you must say the secret words.
I've got a bone to pick with you. It must be very secret, because we don't know what they are.
Yeah, man. Throw us a bone and help us out.
Okay, I was just about to bone up on my trombone playing.
That's it for the bone jokes, folks. We promise.
The secret words are Boog N Shoog, say dance.
Not very secret anymore, huh?
Okay, let's try it.
I think everyone should say it.
Okay, everyone. Say it with us.
Boog N Shoog say dance!
We wait all year to bust a move, so you know we go all out.
Wow, hey Charlie Bones, is there any dance you won't do?
I won't break dance.
Happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween!
That was great!
Oh, that was awesome, Boog.
Hey, everybody, be sure to subscribe by pressing that circle with our faces on it.
Yeah, and after you subscribe, click on the rectangle to go to the next amazing Boog N Shoog video.
What a great idea!
Yay!